In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add zoom effect on CapCut PC. If you want to make your video feel more dynamic, a zoom effect is one of the easiest ways to do it. It can help emphasize a reaction, create a comedic snap, or give a shot a more cinematic push-in. The good news is that in CapCut PC, there are two very simple ways to create this effect, depending on whether you want full control or just want something fast and automatic. Let's start with the first method, which is using keyframes. This is the best option if you want to control exactly when the zoom starts and how intense it becomes. First, highlight your video clip on the timeline. Then go to the top right panel and open Video, then Basic, then Position and Size. Place your playhead at the point where you want the zoom to begin and click the diamond keyframe icon next to Scale. This sets your starting point. After that, move the playhead forward to where you want the zoom to finish. Now increase the scale slider to zoom in. If your subject is no longer centered, just drag the video in the preview window until the framing looks right. CapCut will automatically create a smooth zoom animation between those two keyframes, so you don't have to manually build every frame. Now let's look at the second method, which is even faster. If you prefer a ready-made effect, click the Effects tab in the top left menu bar, then choose Video Effects. From there, search within a category like Opening and Closing, where you'll often find built-in zoom styles. Look for something like Slow Zoom or Mini Zoom, then drag that effect directly onto your video clip in the timeline. As soon as you do that, CapCut applies the animated zoom for you. If the effect feels too short or too long, you can simply drag its edges on the timeline to adjust the duration. That makes it really convenient when you want polished results without setting keyframes yourself. Once your zoom is in place, it's time to fine-tune the timing. For keyframe zooms, drag the diamond markers on the timeline closer together if you want the zoom to happen quickly, or spread them farther apart for a slower, smoother push-in. Timing makes a big difference, so it's worth previewing the motion a few times. Just press the spacebar to play it back and see how it feels. And that's it. You're now ready to create clean, professional zoom effects in CapCut PC.